Hi everyone, and welcome to my another video. I'm not in Tenerife anymore, but as you can see, I'm pretty high up in the mountains, and I'm actually pretty close to Tenerife. And ladies and gentlemen, say hello to La Palma. So as you saw, the views are just amazing. I have my camera, my tripod, camera bag over there. I'm uh, I'm in a place called Mirador de los Andenes. I don't know if I pronounced it right. I hope so. So I think I'm not sure. I mean that if it's the most popular place here to take photos, to landscape photography or night photography, but I have seen a lot of photos taken here in this area. So my plan here is also do landscape photography today, and as you can see, there's like really cool clouds going on over there everywhere. So and these mountain peaks have these little trees over there on top of them, so with these clouds and the trees, I think they would look really nice. Sun is over there. It will get lower. It's 1 hour till sunset, I think, and the light that will hit over there during the golden hour and after the sun has set is pretty cool, I think. So yeah, that's the plan today. I'm gonna stay here, do landscape, try to capture those, like use my 100 to 400 millimeter lens to like get really close to these scenes and try to capture something cool. And after that I'm gonna wait till it gets dark and also do some night photography. I have an idea over somewhere there. This I have to like walk or hike a bit, but a panorama idea, and maybe shoot also some time lapses or something. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, this is really cool right now. Right now I started to do a time lapse. Camera's over here. I'm zoomed in somewhere over like this region over like there between the two peaks. So yeah, there's like in the background there's not much, like the clouds are not moving so fast, but as you can see, the clouds, maybe it's too tiny, but the clouds are like coming from the valley to up. And so right now I'm shooting with the interval is 2 seconds, so after every 2 seconds it takes the photo. It takes me about 16 minutes. After that I'm gonna check if it's like, if you have a too long gap between each shot and the clouds are moving really fast, they might get like this little bumpy, the time lapse. So we'll see. But I mean, it's crazy. Like there's, as I was telling you in later, like or before that, the clouds are like disappearing. There's just maybe like a couple of minutes and the clouds were back again. So I'm gonna show you what it really looks like here. So pretty crazy. All these clouds over there, this is like they're coming from there, and like I mean right now pretty sick is over also there, like clouds moving. Maybe I should do a time lapse also over there. We'll see what happens, but I think the light will also be cool. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing for the next 2 hours in these windy conditions here. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's getting super windy in here. But I mean, clouds still going good there over there. So I did some time lapses here, and now I'm gonna probably like the same spot over there where the clouds are moving, like over there. I put an ND filter. I put an ND filter, 10 stop filter on, and I'm hoping that the clouds over there will just move from there over there, and with this I can maybe do a long exposure, so it would be like this smooth clouds. I don't know if they will it will happen, you never know. It's like it has been from the previous clip, it has been like, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. There's just so much going on all the time. It's just pretty amazing. So about 20 minutes the sun will set and the light is gone, so let's hope for the best, and I can capture some long exposures also here. It's like been pretty much 2 times that I want to go to my car because it's so windy, and I'm like getting like hands are getting frozen because it's cold. But I'm like, there are some clouds now coming from the other side, moving in. The other clouds over there that I have been shooting have been risen so up. I really hope that the clouds will stay something like that, because after, if nighttime comes, maybe I'll shoot the time lapse somewhere over there, because the Milky Way will rise over there and it would look epic, I think. So yeah, I'll just stay here a bit longer to see how the clouds are moving and if I get some shots. But yeah, the sunset was about half an hour ago already, so it's getting pretty dark. So, but yeah, let's see. It's pretty nice. I'm back in my car now, and recovering from the fight with the wind. So it was pretty crazy out there. The previous 2 times that I've been out at night or during sunset, has been pretty calm. So like no such kind of like winds, but I think it's not a surprise in here overall, I think so. But yeah, I'm a bit concerned because the clouds are getting really high. So I'm not sure if they will cover the sky. I met one guy here, James, who like said that yesterday and the day before it got really cloudy here and just couldn't shoot the sky. So let's hope for the best, that it stays clear. And yeah, I think that I'm gonna have a little snack. I think I need to also sleep because it's gonna be a long night. I'm gonna stay here till morning, if it stays clear, of course. And then yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what happens, and hopefully, yeah, it stays clear and can shoot the Milky Way. It's 2:30 a.m. now. woke up about 20 minutes ago, had some coffee, and to be honest, right now, I'm like, when I'm looking out of my car window, I see some stars, but in my level, it's really cloudy. I went back to my truck to get some like gear, and it has been raining a bit. Like, it's not heavy, but it's wet, so I don't know. We'll see. I actually, before I went to sleep, an idea popped into my head, and I because of like these fast moving clouds on top of the trees, I thought that it would be a nice idea to put the time lapse going. So I actually have a camera like back there, almost in the same position where I shot the sunset. And yeah, the clouds on top of the like peaks, and then rising Milky Way also. I don't know, if it worked out, then it worked out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just take some stuff. I'm gonna go out, check the camera if the time lapse was okay, and I'll just check the weather. If it's cloudy, I don't see any stars, or I don't know, then maybe I have to call it the night. But if not, then I'll do the panorama in one place where I had this idea, and yeah, we'll see what the weather brings, because I'm like, I have 3.5 hours still Milky Way core going on, then the astronomical twilight, and it's starting to get brighter outside. So yeah, but yeah, we'll see. I'll take some stuff and go head out there to see what's going on. So here's my camera. It's all freaking wet. It's working, everything is fine, but I don't know. I'll see if the time lapse work out or not. Yeah, but I think it did not, so I don't know. It's freaking windy here, like blowing, and oh shit. I see the stars. I mean, I see the stars, but I see the Milky Way arch, but it's been crazy here, so yeah. It's sick out here right now. Yeah, hello. So I don't even know if you're hearing me or not, but I'm gonna do a quick video here. It's super windy, it's like crazy out here, and I need to clear the lens. I had a like 10-minute gap in the sky, and I shot the pano. I hope it worked out, but I just need to take one shot where I thought that I would stand in one place, and maybe it adds to the frame, and yeah, then it's done. I think if I'm gonna get that shot, then I'm done. I'm gonna move down because it's hectic out there. The wind is crushing, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So So after the panorama, I decided to call it a night because it was getting super cloudy and super windy, so there was just no point to continue with my photography trip. And I got my panorama, so everything was okay. And I decided to pack my stuff and head down back to my car and started driving back home. And after this clip, I will show you the panorama that I captured and also some other photos that I managed to capture the previous nights and I was out there about the amazing night sky of La Palma Island. And also I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, then give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, because in the future I will be making more of these videos and content like this is coming to you soon. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.